bow. Nice pretty form.
And I found this earlier.
Yeah, we found that big old Atlee.
Walking around.
Kicking dirt. And then this just spun out on my pile.
Looks like a rounded tip.
We wish it was rounded. But man, got both ears.
Wide.
Nice and thin.
It's a wide bottom.
Sure is wide. Almost as wide as it is long.
Well, there's probably one more in there. Probably perfect
so. Not too bad
awesome
of a start
possum
for June 22nd.
Doing pretty good. And we got some adzes over here. Well, we found a few things.
Yeah.
You don't want to see them.
Well, we've got lots of those.
Well, it looks like we're ending the day with these final 3 screens. And I might have found a pretty nice one here. I see a lot of nice tip on it.
Sure looks like it.
Oh yeah. I like that.
That's a nice little Atlee.
Made just like that with the one ear higher than the other. Perfect tip. Gotta like that.
Way to go, Richard.
Thank you, sir.
Got a bunch of rain. So we figured we'd come have us a look. And I actually just flipped it. That over there is what I saw. And just flipped it out.
That's absolutely beautiful.
That is, ain't she?
Absolutely wonderful.
Man, I need a little
Awesome possum.
water over here.
I gotta get out of here, folks.
Who's got to get out here?
I gotta catch. All I'm gonna be doing is playing catch up now. Look at the color on that. I gotta get that first.
Oh, that is pretty, ain't it?
Awesome find, Brooksy.
That is stellar.
You ain't a kidding. Awesome. Well, Brooksy and we're out walking around hunting. He's found a couple. I found these 2. And I got another one right up ahead of me. I didn't have my camera with me when I found these, so I figured I would come back to fill this one here. He's kind of a neat little guy.
Yeah, pretty colors.
Look where he was stuck in the mud. Oh, I bet he's got a little bit of translucency to him.
Oh, I bet if there was some sun out. Yeah, that's some real pretty material, Richard.
Gotta like the start of this day. Look at that.
Yeah.
Not bad whatsoever.
Nopers.
All right, well, let's carry on.
There it is.
There it is. Mike and I decided to come down and check out the lower Platte River. We don't journey much. But I found one right over here. That's to get the party. That's right, to get the party started here. Boy, I turned the camera on a little too soon. I didn't realize how far away I was. But right here it is. Stick marks the spot. Nice little sharp little tip on him. Take that to start today. Want me to stand in the shade?
No, I want the sun.
I've got.
I can't tell. Just have to wait.
Well, Mike found him one here. He's going to try to get a picture before Jersey steps on it. Jersey's going to try to step on it. Do 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 do.
Waiting on my camera. You fired up too fast. Okay. Up here at the hole, got something washed out, nice and thin. Oh, it's missing the tip.
Got it. Hey. Yippee-tippee-yay. Well, these streaks, they come and go, folks, I'm telling you. Brooksy and I have been hunting ever since the middle of June and just really have not found much. And I mean, we've done a lot of clearing. And I found a blake down here is the only reason I got this on. Pretty nice one. We found a few pooters here and there, but nothing like we were going. We were way over there when we were finding those, but we came to the end. I did find this tool a while ago. And this little neat little Etley. Kind of a nice stripe in there. Look at him. He's still trying to find an arrowhead while I'm filming. Gonna come down here, and there's some guy smoking some kind of weird Marlboros. Was digging over here. Probably daring, Mike says. Pretty nice. Hopefully he left a nice point in there with some ears. We have moved many tons of dirt.
You want to be on camera?
Oh, Greedy here.
Oh, Greedy.
Got to have everything on his screen. Check that out. That's a pretty point, even with the ancient damage.
Yeah, that's an ancient ear go.
Nice made, shape.
Well, that'll look
boy.
real nice, cleaned up. Nice material.
Boy, look at that dirt. Boy, I bet it is. It looks shiny.
It is.
I can tell. Congratulations. Congratulations, Jersey. Hey, there's all my fine feathered friends. I gotta say, I've been a little lazy on getting these videos out, and I lost mine and Mike's surface hunting videos from last month. This is from yesterday. So close. It would have been awesome. And a few of them you've already seen up through here, up to that Calf Creek. I don't think I've showed this yet. This is absolutely an amazing cell. Little Lucky Pepper. And I'm pretty sure I haven't showed this one. Found this one right by where we park at. Got some really nice material. And this one here. Oh, watch out. Don't want to damage the points. Got the snakeskin stipple. Translucent. Some knives. I found some little Etleys. Like a nice little Etley here. A beautiful little guy. I don't know if I showed this one here or not. Amazing colors. Just a ancient tip damage though. This here, nice preform. And lots of brokes I found. Can I trust? I can't trust these chickens with. I'd hate for them to get up here and scratch my sedalias off there. There's the chickens. I think I showed the yard last time. I had a video. It's been about a month. There's Gilmore. Let me set these down right here. Do a walkabout. Oh, I found this one by the tree too. It would have been. I didn't walk in. It's got ancient ear damage on it too. I just like the colors of it. Those are my mom got me those two there to go with these plum trees. Never had a plum on them yet. My hostas, giant peaches that were supposed to be dwarfs. One of my bonding agents got me that. It turns all kinds of white flowers. Some big old hostas. You know, my cherry tree. Those two trees have gotten monsters. I just built this flower bed I'm getting ready to fill up all along here because I got tired of having to mow down through there around all these posts every time. It ought to look really nice. Well, should. Then back here is my little modest garden. Not a whole lot. Got some nice big old tomatoes on there. Oh, that's tomatoes. A few little flowers. Wasp. Peppers are doing good. These babies are growing pretty good. Cantaloupes all in there. I think that's about it. Pug's still kicking along. We'll be back at it tomorrow, hopefully. Lots and lots of dahlias. Well, hopefully. And this is little Bailey saying hello. Mr. Willie. Just a lot of the brooks that I found up there that were oh so close. All right, hope everybody's having a good summer. Later days.